Welcome to ManuCloudLearning.com. In this video, I'm just going to give 5 tips for IT job seekers. First of all, we need to know what are the type of companies, especially in IT industry, what are the companies available, right? First of all, I'm just going to talk about product-based companies. Product-based companies, that means they have in-house software developed in their environment, right? They will just develop the environment and they will test and they will sell the product, right? After that, they will post sales, they used to support the product. If it's a service based company, that means they were using some tools to support their other companies, right? Such as bank environment or aerospace or healthcare. There are many others, right? That's called service based companies, right? Other type of companies such as government organization, we can just call it as an NGO, right? Non-government organization. There are many. If it's a product based company, they were just focusing on the product, right? Service based company, they are just focusing on what and all service they have received. They are just supporting based on that support model, right? I would say if you are focusing on your career in a betterment, I would say you need to focus on the product based company. If it's just 100 employees typical company also, that's also fine. Okay, that means product based company is always safe, right? Service based company, they were just depending on the services. If the services is not getting as per the expectation, then that project, there is no security in that job also, right? So I would recommend always just focus on the product based companies. Okay, let me take you guys to the next slide. First of all, we need to know, right, what are the candidates they were just looking for the job changes, right? Some of them, they are just fresher graduate. If it's a fresher graduate, he should get the interview or he should get the job through the campus recruitment. That is highly recommended, right? If the fresher doesn't have any jobs or he didn't gone through the campus recruitment or he failed, that doesn't matter, right? There is no problem with that. He can just go with a couple of courses which is available, right, in the market. When you select a course, you need to make sure what is the trend is going on. Nowadays, I can say Azure is one of the trending job, right? And similar way, AWS, most of things are getting changed, right, day by day. So just fresher, he need to have 3 or 6 month duration of course completion, then he will be eligible to get a job in a better, right? Apart from that, some of them, they have intermediate experience, like 2 to 3 years experience or experienced candidate, manager level, beyond manager level. These are the candidates they were just looking for the job changes, right? Let me go to the next slide. In Bangalore, especially in Bangalore location, some of the companies, they were just looking for only for engineering graduate, right? That is BE graduate. Similar way, MCA or MBA graduate. It's not like that. All companies, it's not like that. Only few of the Indian based companies, they were just focusing only the graduate, and apart from there, just for regular graduation from a reputed university. Some of the companies, they just consider distance education holders, graduation in any discipline. That means if you completed BCom also doesn't matter, right? Or any graduation in any discipline. But the only thing is you should have the skill in order to get that job, right? And diploma holders, international certification would be an advantage. Let's say example of distance education holder. If you just complete with the distance education, no matter. Only thing is you just need to make sure you have completed a graduation from a reputed university that fall under UGC approved university, especially in India specific I am just talking about. Okay. If it's a international certification, if you have, that will give the advantage, right? If it's a diploma holder, after diploma, if he is specifically, if he is focusing on such as any of the Cisco certification or Microsoft certification, VMware, that will be an advantage for him, right? In this what and all education mentioned in this slide, right? I am telling all these category people, they were getting jobs, right? Okay, if you just no need to worry about, if you are just a diploma holder, no need to worry about, just go focus on the couple of certification, then just try to get the job, right? That is possible in this world, right? Only for few companies, they will just stick on the BE or regular graduation, that we no need to worry about it. Okay, let me take you guys to the next. What are the experience requirement? If you are a fresher, you should be able to explain your education background, such as academic project and your area of interest every person they should be focused on particular area, right? You should have your own interest of areas, right, in your technical areas. Okay, at least I recommend you need to just decide which career you need to go with, right? Either Java or .NET, that you need to decide. If it's an intermediate candidate, he should be able to explain both his educational as well as experience background. And apart from that, we have other candidate type, that is experienced candidate. Experienced candidate in the sense he should be able to specialize in any of the technology, such as Cisco network or Windows Server or any VMware, anything similar. Okay, that is called experienced candidate, right? Okay, and manager level, that require multiple skill set. If you are a manager, some of the company they are just hiring even manager, right? They are just people management. If you are want to become a technical manager, you need to go through all these levels, right? Manager level, they need to focus on the procurement. There are many other costing part, team management, okay, and apart from appreciation, there are many things they need to focus, right? Beyond manager level means that is associate director or director, and beyond director means that's associate vice president or senior vice president or CTO. If your skill is more into technical, I recommend you to, after a period of time, you need to switch to the technical architect level. Your skill is more into managing people or managing team. That area, I recommend you need to switch after 5-10 years. You need to switch to the manager level. These are the classification which is available, right? Apart from that, if you want to get a better job, as per my experience, there are many jobs search portal is available, right? Naukri is one of the best job search portal which is available, because if you, but one thing you need to make sure, you need to update the proper skill set in your Naukri, right? I'm not a marketing representative from Naukri or LinkedIn, anything like that, right? Whatever experience which I gained, I'm just going to share, demonstrate in this video, right? Naukri, if you set this proper skill set, if the premium paid employer, if they search with that specific skill set, your resume also will, or your profile also will get fetched in that, right? Even LinkedIn also nowadays, that's also becoming, that part also growing like anything, right? If you focusing on Naukri and LinkedIn, I can give the guarantee you will get the job for sure, because this job portal having the accuracy, right? If you search something for anything specific keyword, you will get the correct results. If you look at some other portal, I'm not specifically telling any names, but if you look at, you will get some kind of junk data, right? There are millions of data, but you will not see any relevant to you, right? Apart from that, before going to any of the company, you can have one more site called Glassdoor. You can have the review in that, and apart from that, you will get approx pay scale, and what are the jobs available in this company, right? Many of the people, they are just 100%, they are just believing in Glassdoor. It is not like that. Some people, they may be experienced very good with some of the company, they will put very good review, and apart from them, few of them, they might have some problem with the company, then they will not put proper. But altogether, you will get some kind of ideas. This Glassdoor, that just give the ideas. Beyond that, it won't give, right? So that's all about this career part, right? You can subscribe my channel, that will give more technical or related videos, right? So I have uploaded a couple of videos that is into Hyper-V, VMware ESXi or vCenter. In future, I am just coming up with Amazon Azure, right? There are many videos I'm just going to come up with. You can just, if you're interested with technical, I'm just going to give the real technical stuff in my videos. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your time.